The firefighters also are authority figures and they have responsibilities in our community. They make sure also that we are safe. Their main responsibilities is to make sure that if there is a fire, they are here to turn off the fire. But they also do other things like saving people out of cars when they have a car accident, or saving animals that are stuck in trees, like cats. But their main reason why they're here is to stop fires and to save people if they're in car accidents, or even if someone is not feeling well at home, they will come and make sure that you get the help you need. So firefighters are important figures, authority figures in our community. And if you need help, you can call them and they will be here to help you.